Hello, I'm Clark Andrews. We're here at Hills Carpet and Floor Coverings main showroom located in Hueytown, Alabama. Today I want to talk to you specifically about area rugs. With so many consumers choosing hard surface flooring, wood, lusher vinyl planks, and ceramic tile, it's not unusual that area rugs are purchased shortly thereafter. Taste in area rugs have changed, with more consumers considering updated fashion and styles. Today I want to focus in on Milliken carpet. Milliken is a leader in printed design using a patented process which allows them to produce virtually any pattern imaginable. In this display there are 30 designs. We'll take a look at a few of them. Very modern, very stylish. And as you see, each of these designs come in 6 different colorways. Now, you can change by upgrading, and you can choose any color that you want in combination from these 2 palettes. These area rugs are available in 6 different sizes, 2'8" by 3'10", all the way up to a 10'9" by 13'2", and they are finished off with serging thread. The carpet itself is made with Stainmaster Tactise nylon, which has a lifetime warranty protection covering all food and beverage stains, soiling, pet urine, and static shock. This is a low, dense pile carpet which can be used commercially and performs exceptionally well in the form of residential area rugs in high traffic areas of your home. So please drop by today to see these products for yourself, and when you get ready, order your rugs from Hills Carpet and Floor Coverings. Thank you.